Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to integrate your green screen into your mobile edits for free so that you can finally have some super fun green screen backgrounds onto your videos or whatever you're using it for. I just got this green screen, and if you just got yours, we're about to have a lot of fun integrating this feature together. So today I'm going to be using the app Capcut to edit my mobile video, and it's completely for free. So we're going to start off by opening the app, and you should already have your green screen video that you want to be using. So you're going to press new project, import the green screen video that you have, and also the background that you want to use to put behind that. So in this case, I'm just going to use this random cloud image just to show you what it looks like. So you can see I have my green screen video over here, which is a little bit random, but hopefully if you stick around my channel, you'll see it come out pretty soon. So it's a little bit of a preview over here. And then if you scroll to the right, I have this cloud background, okay? And just be wary of the difference in the aspect ratio. So if you can see over here, like for example, there's this black border, that means that the aspect ratio is different. So if that's the case for you, you just want to expand the image like this so that it fills up the whole screen. So the first thing that I suggest you do is always tap on it and then go on to overlay, so that now your green screen video is underneath the background that you want. So now that you have these two layers, it's actually really straightforward. All you're gonna need is one tool. So you're gonna tap on the green screen video, you're gonna come to this bottom row and scroll until you see cutout. Tap it, and you can see that there's three different options over here. The first one is remove background, which honestly, if your green screen video is clean, it should work. So I'm just gonna show you what that looks like. Remove background, and right away, it's super easy. You can see it has the percentage that it's like loading, but pretty much right off the bat, it cuts pretty well. Obviously there's like a little bit of nuance here and there. So this is where the other tools might come in handy. I'm having so much fun with green screens, and if you haven't seen how I've been using it so far, definitely check out this video because you get to see how I've been testing it. And also it's pretty fun, and it'll leave you with some sprinkle of motivation as well. So I'm just gonna press undo just to show you what the other ones look like. So what the Chroma key does is that it allows you to select the specific color on your video. And immediately it's gonna have this color picker. So you're gonna select the color of the green screen over here, and then you're gonna come into intensity, and then you should start to see it fading away. Obviously here it's not super clean because my green screen is actually different colors due to the lighting. So quick tip, you want to really make sure that when you are filming your green screen video that your lighting is even, that the sheet or whatever it is, the cloth, the green screen that you're using is even. Don't follow what I did, because now you can see I'm having a lot of trouble with this, and it's a little bit like not clean, right? Just to show you the example though, this is how you can use this tool to quickly remove your green screen background. So you can see a part of my top is already removed along with the green screen. So what I'm gonna do is come over to shadow over here and just kind of bring it back in by increasing the shadow tool. So now you can see my top is slowly recovering from this missing green screen piece. It's filling up the little gaps there. But the problem now is that you can kind of see the bottom row also kind of takes into effect with this shadow tool. So if that happens with you, you can actually layer all of these tools together. So let's say I'm happy with this chroma key tool that I've used. I'm gonna press tick for now. It's kind of working when I scroll through my video, right? What I can actually use as the third tool is this customized cutout tool. So what this cutout tool does is that it highlights the parts that you want to see, and then it takes away everything else that's not part of this red highlighted area. So for example, this bench on the bottom, I don't want it to be included, but it's not highlighted in my red. So if I actually come over here to this right bottom corner eye tool, you can see that immediately it cuts out the bench pretty easily. And you might also notice that it takes away the shadow that I had a problem with earlier too. If this has helped you so far, don't forget to give this video a like so that I know to keep creating more tutorials for you just like this. So you can kind of see that when I do layer these keying tools, they actually work really well together. Of course, there are little nuances here and there, like maybe the green outline isn't super clean, and that's really where your filming comes in and where you have to be careful with the lighting and just make sure that what you're wearing isn't reflecting off the light. Like my outfit was reflecting the green earlier, and that's why that area was really easily cut out when I was using this keying tool. So if you followed all these steps and you've combined all these different tools, your final video should look something like this. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Please leave a comment down below on how you've been using this green screen effect, because I'm really curious to see how that goes for you. I will also be posting the final result of this project piece on my Instagram Reels and on Shorts, so just keep an eye out for that because I'm really excited to show you this piece. It's a whole conceptual piece, so yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So with that being said, go create a life that you're proud of. See you next time. Bye!